This is a parliamentary dictation with a speed of 60 words per minute taken from Progressive Shorthand Monthly, April 2025, back page of exercise 19. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready? When we look at the situation in our own country, we find that the population has already reached 100 crore. It has recorded an annual growth rate or 2% in the 15 years, that is from 1971 to 1980, that has to be compared with the growth rate of 2.2% between 100 and 1991 and 1992. Hopefully, we want to reduce it to 1% by the end of the century. At the beginning of the country in 1901, the population was 238 million and it is going to reach a billion by the turn of the century. Therefore, the situation is very alarming. We have to take note of this situation and see how our family planning programs are working. In our country, whatever progress we have achieved or are achieving is being nullified by the growth in population. The ministry's statistics and the minister's statement also admit the severity and the gravity of the population problem. The ministry takes some satisfaction that the couple protection percentage has gone up from 22 to 35 in the last 10 or 12 years, and the cumulative number comes to 45 million so far, but it has failed to create a corresponding impact on the birth rate. In 1977, the birth rate was 32,000, and in 1987, after 10 years, it continues to be the same. 10 years ago, the annual increase in the country's population was 13 million. Today it is 15 million. The growth rate, as I said earlier, is 2% as compared to 3% earlier. Therefore, over the last 10 years, the average family size has also stood at 4 children. The Health Ministry has recently conducted a survey which shows that most of the couples want not only 3 or more children, but they also want that 2 of them at least should be sons, the male children. This is the result of the survey of the health ministry itself. Where have we gone wrong? It is because of lack of resources or improper utilization of resources, or because of our failure to create the infrastructure. These are the points which have to be considered now. During the plan period up to the end of the 6th plan, we have spent 2,500 crores of rupees on the family planning program. In the 7th plan, the government has provided 3,300 crores of rupees for the program. Therefore, I do not admit the argument that because of lack of resources the program is suffering. Stop.